What's up guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make Filipino lantaka, also known as a bamboo cannon. Today we're going to do it out of Mr. Brown cans, and we're going to do it for the New Year's. It's usually a New Year's thing that in the Philippines they use it, they make it, and they pop it. It makes loud sounds to welcome in the new year. It's going to be a quick video. Pretty much what you need for this is gloves. If you have dirty cans, you don't want to be touching that and you don't want to get cut, and maybe a can opener and duct tape. And of course, later on, you're gonna need lighter fluid and a lighter. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so I have about maybe like 12, 14 cans here. I'll make it pretty long. What I'm aiming for is 6 feet. So we're gonna do 6 feet. I'm using Mr. Brown cans. If you don't know what that is, that's a coffee. It's a pretty hard can. It's pretty good to use. It's strong. It won't explode when you pop it. But yeah, so yeah, you're gonna just take out the bottom and the top. You know, start off by doing that. You want to clear it out. So that way, when you put it all together, you just duct tape it. But you remember the last can on the end will have a hole right here for when you ignite it. So yeah. Yeah, so let's begin. I'm just gonna use a can opener to open up the bottom, because that one's kind of easier. The top part, you're not gonna need it. The top part, we're just gonna chop it off here. You know, I don't know if your can opener can go all the way around. Like this. Now we're just gonna do that to all the other cans, and then we'll tape it together. Yeah, we're just clearing it out. We're gonna make all of these like this except for one. Only the top part will be gone. Just do that to all these cans. All right, so we cut off all the tops and bottom. That's about 16 cans. This is our last one. I'm gonna have a drink real fast. But what you're gonna wanna do on the last one is just take out the top, and then you're gonna bend this part in and then poke a hole. I'll show you how that looks in a bit, because that's where you're gonna light the fluid when you're about to pop it. So yeah, I'm gonna drink this, and then yeah. All right, so the last can, we have it right here. It's only the top part that we took out. What we're gonna wanna do is poke a hole. I got a screwdriver, and we're just gonna poke a hole, maybe like right there, for when we're gonna ignite. Something like that will do. You can really see the hole, but there's the hole right there. So yeah, now what we're gonna do is clean out all the cans. We're gonna wash it out and dry it, and then we'll duct tape it. Remember, the ones with the last part, the last maybe 2 cans, you're gonna want to tape it really strong, because you're gonna hold on to that, and when you light it up, it's gonna blow back. So yeah, that's the one you're gonna put tape. But yeah, I'll show you how to do that in a bit. I'm just gonna wash this off. I don't think you're gonna see that, but we're just gonna do it fast forward. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm taping it, and I'm kind of pushing it very tight, because I don't want any holes. What we're going to do is just tape it together, and kind of make it pretty tight. Try to like really tape it tight together, and also try to keep it straight. So this is the base, you see. We're just going to keep doing that to all of the cans, the rest of the cans, you know. But maybe the first 2 or 3 cans, I'm gonna tape it really tight, and extra tape. And that's where I'm holding it. I don't want it to explode in my hands. And that's what you're gonna do, just tape it all around. Alright, so we're done. This is pretty much how it looks. I didn't use the last 2 cans, but yeah, taped on each part, and then I kind of taped it down to give it more support, because how we're going to do this is we're going to put lighter fluid in the middle or inside, kind of shoot straight down, and some in here, and then all we're going to do is kind of like wave it down back and forth, and it's right here, so you know where to light it up. And you hold it, or you put it down to something, light it up, and bam! So that's how you make a Filipino pop cannon. This is also popular in Guam, but it originated from the Philippines. called lantaka. It's a bamboo cannon that they use usually on celebrations. They even do it in Malaysia. They use these things for celebrating and bringing in the new year. The more louder the noise, the more luck you'll have for next year. So yeah, guys, make one for yourself, try it out. Happy New Year's, and see you again. Wizard stick. Woo. It's pretty much a wizard stick without the bottom and ends. So yeah, enjoy it. We're gonna go light. All right, so I guess I just wanted to try it out and show you. Just gonna shoot it in. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't.